Hello beautiful women, I am Ishita Saluja, your personal stylist and image coach. Now I know that I have been missing from YouTube, but I have a very valid reason. And I know we've got a lot of messages asking that when are we going to come back and start making videos. So this is a promise here that I am going to be very regular. Now coming to the point that why wasn't I regular? Well, I had too much happening and I had so much on the plate that it just overwhelmed me. Little bit of planning, little bit of understanding the YouTube, little bit of understanding my business better, and I am back now with a better plan, with a better team and better content, and that's what I'm here to promise you. I'm not going to take much of your time, but before that, I just want to thank all of you and wish you all a very, very happy new year. Thank you for being my strength. Thank you for sending so much love to me all the time. I promise you to keep doing only better. But as a result of your love, something happened which I'm going to share with you. So this happened. I got a YouTube silver button, and of course we are a family of 1,50,000 plus, which is such a great deal, and this means so much to me, and this was one of the reasons I wanted to come back and make sure that my content is going to be more than useful. Now with that promise and a great year ahead, let's start today's video. So today's video is one of the most asked video. We are going to talk about shapewears. Now, what are shapewears? Why do we need them? And what are the uses of it? Now, before we get into the video, I want you to remember that there is nothing like your body. And before you dress up, make sure that you love your body the most. Now, why do we need shapewears to start with? Of course, we need it because we want to look smoothened. We love our curves, we love everything about us, but sometimes we just want a seamless look. So we are going to get started, and I'm going to give you 3 shapewears that you can have in your wardrobe and what you can possibly wear it with. Now, it might look tricky or it might sound tricky, but it's easier. We are going to talk about different kind of shapewears. We are going to also talk about colors that you can have, and we are also going to talk about if you really need shapewears all the time. Now, one thing is very clear. I don't think so that shapewears are something that you should wear all the time. There are women who wear them all the time, and they feel like they need to look a particular way. But I feel it's really personal. Having said that, if you feel that's something not for you, please go ahead, and there is no need. But there's times when you want to look more seamless, or you're going somewhere where you want to create a more neater look. I feel like it's a great idea to invest in some of the important shapewears. Now, there are thousands of categories and they're available all over, and it can naturally confuse you. Therefore, this video, which is going to give you answers of all the questions related to shapewears. Not only I'm going to show you what shapewears can you have, but I'm also going to demonstrate how they can instantly change the look. And not only they make your outfit look better, but they sometimes also give you a confidence boost. Now, let's get into it. But before we start, I want you to say these 3 affirmations with me right now. Number 1, I love my body the most. Number 2, I look lovely in everything I wear. Number 3, I'm super confident and I slay every day. Yes, you slay in everything you wear. So let's get into it. But like I always say, make sure you love your body before you dress your body. So let's get started. Now we're delving into the world of shapewears, so get going. So number 1, I'm going to talk about this unsung hero. I'm also going to give you some brand recommendation and also how to go about the sizings. So keep watching this video till the end and make sure you like and subscribe it as well. Now, this is called a waist clincher. Now, as the name suggests, it clinches your waist, and it is great for the days that when you want to wear something more fitted and you're conscious that your stomach is going to bulge. My suggestion would be buy the size which is perfect for you. Now, if it is going to be loose or tight, chances are that it is going to roll. What is important is to notice that the fabric that it has spandex, but it is also firm. The flimsier the shapewear, the chances that it is going to roll or not give you that shape that you are looking for. So that is your number 1. So for example, if you're a UK size 10 or 12, and that you can easily go to any store and get yourself measured, especially at a Marks and Spencer's, they have the best kind of shapewears if you ask me. And this one, of course, is again from Marks and Spencer's. Another thing, I really feel like the most important color to have in your wardrobe needs to be nude, because when you wear white or any light color, this kind of camouflages. Avoid wearing any dark color or a white color specifically, because it can reflect when you're wearing something light, and we do not want them. We are here to create a seamless look, and that's what it is going to help us in. Now, sometimes a good shapewear can actually go till up your high waist. You can actually tuck it in your bra. But in some cases, if you feel like this is rolling down, then trust me, the issue is in the sizing. Very, very, very important. Make sure that you buy the right sizing when you're looking for a waist clincher. It is called a waist clincher because it is going to clinch that waist of yours. So I'm going to show you how it can actually change your look. Now in this particular skirt and crop top, it's visible that my stomach is not looking very flattering, and skirt being satin can emphasize your stomach. It's not a great idea to wear the skirt like this when I'm stepping out, because it can weigh me down. Now I am wearing a waist clincher under my skirt, which is designed to control the flap around my tummy. Now this is perfect to be worn with high-waisted skirts, camisole, or even trousers. You choose what you want to wear it with, but the moment you will wear it, you will see that your stomach and your waist are cinching. I just feel when your stomach is more contoured, you look more confident and seamless. Having said that, choose which shapewear would you like to pair it up with, but I feel waist clincher works great when you're wearing something high-waisted, and especially when the fabric is a little on the thinner side. And now let's talk about the full body shapewear. Now I call this the sculpting wonder, and this can be an absolute game changer. It is perfect for the occasions when you want to have that extra layer of confidence, and I promise you, the way it hugs you, it just contours your body. What I like about this, that it doesn't come with an inbuilt bra, which gives you the flexibility of wearing your own bra, but yet having a full body shapewear that not only covers your stomach, that not only controls your sides, but also your back. Now I understand that this is one of the biggest problems that all the women face, the back rolls. And sometimes when you want to wear that fitted dress and look more sexy and confident, you do not want to have those back rolls. And I promise you that this is the product to go for. Again, I have chosen a perfect color, which is beige, that can go with literally everything. Now let's talk about the sizing of this one. For this one, I would suggest you can go a size smaller, because this will never ever roll down. Of course, you need something with adjustable straps, so make sure while you are choosing it, it has adjustable strap. It doesn't come with inbuilt bra, because that can be an issue if the sizing is not correct. And make sure it has enough spandex to hug your curve and stretch if required. It is also seamless, and it thus gives you a very sleek finish, and I'm going to show you how you can wear it and with what. So let's talk about the bodycon dresses. I don't feel that they can flatter a lot of body types unless you have a really flat stomach, and for that you need something which is going to make it look more flattering. As you can see, this is showing all the curves in the wrong way, and I don't think so it's a great idea to step out looking like that, because I know that I won't be comfortable through the party. So let's make it better. While I wear full body suit or the shapewear here, I can see that it's contouring my natural curves and helps me look more accentuated and smoother. It looks fabulous when it is paired with the right kind of dresses. You can pair it with a lot of other things, even pants, denims or skirts, almost everything. I feel like this is one of the must-haves in your wardrobe. You can throw literally everything over it and make sure that your natural curves are enhanced. And number 3, the thigh and the tummy cincher. Now this is perfect when not only you want the control on your waist and the tummy flaps, but also on the thighs. Now make a note, it's not really possible to wear it under your jeans or your shorts, but it's perfect when you want to wear a body hugging dress, because not only that accentuates your tummy or waist, but it can also accentuate your thighs. And also I love it because I think it can prevent shopping very easily. Now the color I have chosen is black, because like I said, beige or black are your wardrobe essentials when it comes to lingerie and also shapewear. So when you are choosing your shapewears, make sure at least you have 2 of these to wear on different occasions with different dresses. But if you have to pick up just one, then my recommendation would be going with the full body one. Now this one is also great because like I said, not only it gives a great seamless look around your waist and your sides, but also it controls your thighs. And what I like about this is that it also controls shuffling, which we do not like. So most of the times it happens that we go to a party, we are wearing these shorts and our thighs are rubbing against each other, making us so uncomfortable. I really feel that they are a great investment, and if you're looking for it, make sure that they have a great stretch and they hold right at your waist. Now something that goes without the saying कि ये सब high waisted होने चाहिए. Why? Because imagine it is very fitted, and if it ends right at the biggest point of your stomach, जो आपका navel part है, it is going to create bulge. So बहुत बार ऐसे होता है that a woman would tell me that मैंने shapewear पहना and it is making me look bulkier. I will tell you the reason. Because A, the right sizing is not there. 2, you're wearing it slightly low waist. Again, आप खुद सोच के देखो, this is very fitted, and if it comes at the biggest part of your stomach, it is obvious, right, that it is going to highlight your stomach. It's like a balloon, right? Our stomach is like a balloon. You press it from one place, it comes out from another. So what we need to remember is that all your shapewears need to be high-waisted. I would recommend go ahead and keep the size same as your usual size of trousers or your underwears, so that it can fall till here, till your waist, and you can also tuck it under your bra. Having said that, if it doesn't happen, koi baat nahi hai. Make sure that it is on the smallest part, which is your waist. Also, this is your stomach, this is your waist, this is not your waist. So high waisted का मतलब है shapewears में that you have to wear it really on your mid waist and not your low waist or your midriff. Now I'm going to show you that how you can wear it and how it can actually change the styling. But before I do that, I want you to make sure that you like this and subscribe the channel. The list of the brands and the shapewear will be mentioned in the description below. Now let's talk about the biggest trouble that all the women face, wearing high-waisted trousers. A lot of time we feel like wearing high-waisted trousers can actually show more of your stomach bulge. And also while I'm wearing a printed kind of trousers, it can bring more focus on my thighs and my stomach, which I would like to de-emphasize. Again, this is showing a lot of my stomach and I wouldn't want to step out like that. So let's make it look better. Now with my high-waisted pants, I'm wearing the thigh and the waist cincher. Not only it controls my tummy and waist area, making it look more cinched, but it's also helping me cinch my thigh areas. Now these can be worn with again a lot of things, especially with the dresses, to make sure that there is no shuffling happening and your thighs don't rub against each other. But I really feel when you wear them with trousers, jeans or high-waisted pants, they create a beautiful effect and they camouflage your waist and your thighs together and make you look more cinched and confident. So these were 3 shapewears and detailed discussion about how you can wear the shapewears and what you can wear it with them. But remember some key points. Number 1, understand which is your need and choose the shapewear accordingly. It might be the case that you don't need all 3, but choose the one that you think you need the most. If I have to give you one of these, then I will say go ahead and buy the full body shapewear. The only drawback here with the full body shapewear is that you cannot wear it with the backless things. For that, you can always have a waist clincher or a waist or thigh controller. Now that you have got it, remember these key points. Number 1, choosing the right size. My recommendation is go to the store, get it checked by the executive and then try it and buy it. Usually what we do is we go on an online website, just buy whatever we see. It's not a great idea. Once you get a hang of what shapewear or what brand works for you, you can go ahead and order online. But before that, my recommendation is always please go try it at the store so that you exactly know the fabric, the quality and the fit of the same. Number 2, choosing the right color. Now beige and black could be the essentials or could be the wardrobe essentials. Beige किसी भी लाइट कलर के साथ पहना जा सकता है, स्पेशली वाइट के साथ वाइट कभी नहीं पहनना, ना लॉन्जरे और ना ही शेपवेयर. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ब्लैक जो डार्क कलर्स के साथ आप इजीली पहन सकते हो. सो कलर इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑफ कोर्स द साइजिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. थर्ड चीज़, प्लीज़ फैब्रिक को देखो कि उसमें स्पैंक्स हो, वो स्ट्रेच करता हो. जितना अच्छा स्ट्रेच करेगा द बेटर कॉन्टोरिंग इट विल गिव योर बॉडी. एंड नंबर 4 एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, रिमेंबर दिस इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन, इट इज जस्ट टू गिव you more confidence and create a seamless look. Make sure that you love your curves and embrace them, but on days when you want to look extra confident, use your shapewears. I will not recommend कि आप इनको रोज पहनो because they can create a little discomfort if worn for longer time. They're great for occasions या party में जाना है या बाहर जाना है जहाँ पे you wanna look extra crisp, seamless and confident. So this is all about today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends who would need the shapewears, and make sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications. All the details are mentioned in the description, so go ahead and read it. We have also added some brand recommendations for you. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you. And I'm going to see you all in the next video.